comes to 1 to 5. If anyone, if any, if anyone, if any have encouragement from being united with Christ Jesus, if any comfort from His love, if any fellowship with the Spirit, if any tenderness and compassion, then make my joy complete from being like-minded, in having the same love, having the same love, having the same love, being in spirit and purpose. Do nothing out of selfishness, ambition, or vain conceit, but in humility consider others better than yourselves. Each of you should look not only for your own interest, but also to the interest of others. Your attitude your attitude your attitude should be the same as that of Christ Jesus.